G'day, I'm glad you dropped in. You see, I'm writing an essay about how Svante Paabo has influenced archaeology, and I've got three main points I'd like to run by you. You see, Dr. Paabo is the director of the Max Planck Institute for Evolutionary Anthropology in Germany, and he founded the field of paleogenomics, which is the study of genomes of extinct animals and of old relatives of ours like Neanderthal. So, my first point is that archaeology, which is the study of human society and evolution, used to be based on studying artifacts archaeologists had dug up, like old pottery, and on morphological analysis, which is just looking at how the shapes of bones and teeth change as a species evolved from one to another. But all that changed when Pavo developed procedures for ancient DNA sequencing. You see, aDNA is extracted from ancient bones and teeth, and it influenced the practices at archaeological excavation sites, like wearing bodysuits, masks, and gloves, to avoid archaeologists from contaminating samples with their own DNA. My second point is that the success of this procedure helped usher in a new era of interdisciplinary collaboration, where fields like genetics and archaeology got together to work on a lot more projects. This type of collaboration helped create new disciplines inside archaeology, like archaeogenetics. A case study by Spriggs and Reish in 2019 concluded that the use of genetic techniques like the aDNA sequencing that Pavo developed had resolved controversies that could not have been answered by archaeology alone. Now, my third point is that in 2010, Paabo and his team were the first people to sequence the Neanderthal genome. They extracted the DNA from the bones of a female Neanderthal that was excavated from Vinjita Cave in Croatia, and he showed that non-Africans have between 1.8 and 2.6% Neanderthal genes in their DNA. This discovery challenged the mindset of archaeologists and showed that our evolutionary tree was far more complex than previously believed. It also placed Neanderthal in its proper position in our family tree, forcing scientists to re-evaluate what it means to be human. Now, it also helped him to win the 2022 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. And they don't just hand those out to anyone. You really must be pretty influential in your field and have made a big contribution to science to get one. So overall, what I'm trying to say is that its development of aDNA sequencing influenced archaeology by fostering a new era of collaboration that has created new disciplinary fields like paleogenomics and archaeogenetics. He changed the established practices that were used on excavation sites, and he redefined the scientific perspective of our close relatives, the Neanderthals.